All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a place or country in which you would like to live or work for a short period of time.
I am going to describe a country, Dubai, where I would like to live there or work there. Or work there. It's a very beautiful country and lots of experience that you live there. You can see different places and different ocean views. And as a profession, as my profession is a chef. So I have a lots of experience of different of many restaurants. So I also did the diploma from Kautham College in Lahore. So I recently got my
Okay, thank you
diploma.
so much. Your answer, most of your answer is irrelevant
Yeah.
because you're not considering the topic. Where is the topic? See, you're
Yes.
not looking at the topic, you're not considering the topic, you're just talking, talking, talking like you're singing a song.
Yeah.
You need to consider the topic. Your topic is describe a place or country in which you like to live. Instead of focusing on the country, you are focusing on your course, on your profession, and all that. So you
Yes.
need to connect all these things with the main topic. And when you are given a topic, put the topic on the table in front of you. If the
Like
topic
this.
is not there, you will talk about here and there. And at the end, your answer will have no relevance with the main topic. So be careful with that, okay? Now we have speaking part 3. What kind of jobs are easy to get in a foreign country?
In my view, if you are best in a restaurant serving job or like rider delivery boy's job, you can go foreign country. So you will easily find the job that jobs in a foreign country like riders or delivery boys and also servers.
Okay, should young people work abroad?
Yes, definitely. They need to go abroad in adult age because in this age they got lots of experience of there, and they will make a better life in futures.
Okay, so this answer is short.
Right.
Overall, focus the topic.
Right.
Don't focus your answer. Just focus the topic, whether your answer is according to the topic or not. That is important for you.
Right.
So, looking at your present performance, I'll give you a 5 band. In order to improve, you need to improve the relevance of your answer to the main question, right? Thank you
Okay.
so much.